Welcome to Kalpa's Khazana, and in this video we are going to make paneer ghee roast. One cup dried red chilies, 1 spoon coriander seeds, 1 spoon jeera, half spoon fennel seeds, 3 to 4 cloves, few peppercorns. Roast them to make fine paste. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, small piece of ginger, half spoon tamarind pulp, 1.5 spoon curd. Now blend it into a fine paste. Now take a pan, add 2 to 3 spoons of ghee. Add chopped paneer pieces. Fry until brown. Now take them into a small bowl. In the same pan, add the masala paste. Let it fry for a minute. Add little water and make the consistency. Salt as per your taste. Mix it well and let it cook for 2 minutes, and add the fried paneer and keep mixing for 5 to 6 minutes. Add chopped coriander leaves, and again let it fry for 2 minutes. And the yummy paneer ghee roast is ready. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.